Male reproductive system. Now we see about main part of male reproductive system and their function. First one is testis, this round shaped part. Second one is sperm duct, this tube like structure. This testis covered with satellite like structure, name is called as scrotum. Then here accessory gland is there. It acts as a check post. First one is pulpothural gland, second one is prostate gland, third one is seminal vesicle. Then this coiled structure name is called as epithymis. First we see about testis. What is the role of testis? It is mainly responsible for formation of sperm. This one's enclosed in thin satellite like structure called as scrotum. This satellite like structure name is called as scrotum. What is the function of scrotum? It covers the testis and protected from any mechanical injury or damage. Both testes presented outside of the abdomen of the male, not inside of the body. Second part name is called as sperm duct. It is otherwise called as vas deferens or vas differentia. What is the role of sperm duct? It carry sperm from testis to urethra. Then three gland, it act as a check post. This one is accessory gland. These three gland, 1, 2, 3. First one is pulpothural gland, second one is prostate, third one is seminal vesicle gland. Whenever sperm moving testis to central point, these three accessory glands secreted hormone, then activated sperm. Before the testis, sperm inactive only. When it will reach to these three gland, after that only active inform. Then finally sperm released out of male reproductive system. Then that coiled structure name is called as epithymis. What is the role of epithymis? Here only sperm will mature and tail formation will occur. Then summary of male reproductive part. Sperm inactive form in testis particle, then it will reach to the epithymis. Here only maturity and tail formation will occur. Then it will enter to the sperm duct. Then three gland is there. The three gland will activated that sperm. Okay. After that only the formation of semen. Finally it is released out from male body. Then we see about testis. This one is that testis structure. It is having two main part. The coiled name is called as seminiferous stifles. What is the role of seminiferous stifles? Means formation of sperm. Second one is ladet, this square shape. This one secreted testosterone. What is testosterone? It is the secondary sex hormones. This only differentiate male and female sex characteristics. Then semen. What is semen? It is the mixture of sperm and this three gland. This three gland. This one is the milky white fluid which passed out from the male body during the process of ejaculation. Then structure of sperm. It basically divided into three part. Head part, middle part and tail part. Head part having acrosome, this head cap like structure. Acrosome, it is presented in this sperm, play a important role. This acrosome only play a important role in the fertilization. Whenever this sperm enter to the egg, that time it will rupture. With the help of acrosome only it will rupture the wall of egg for the process of fertilization. So second here head part also having nucleus surrounded like cytoplasm like cell only. Second part is called as middle part that here presented mitochondria. We know powerhouse of the cell mitochondria. It only give energy to the sperm cell because long journey. Third one is tail. By using tail only it will move. When it sperm move to the ABT time is before this ABT time is round shape only. When it will reach to the ABT time is after that only it have tail. After that only it will move to the that sperm duct particles.